G'day, here's 3 medium-sized pieces of boulder opal from central Queensland, rules in millimetres. Materials wetted to help highlight the colours. They've been sawn out of larger stones to help bring the weight down so you're not paying for the postage. Okay, I've just gone in a bit closer so you get a better look at each piece. That's the parent material that the boulder is found, the opal's found in, and that's a face. The boulder's been split open. There's another face in the back there. You could try splitting. If you want to cut the opal off, you might be able to have enough to go down on that as well. Next piece. Bit more colour in it up here. Again, that's the outside of the nut there, and that's when it's been hit. Face has come off. The best part last. Make a couple of 1 or 2 picture stones there. That piece might end up quite nice. Another seam in it by the looks. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed looking. Cheers.